7 reasons you should wake up earlier. Waking up early can seem like pure torture sometimes, but there are several good reasons that you should strive to get up earlier. Curious what they are? Keep reading to find out. 1. You won't have to rush. Do you love rushing to get out the door in the morning? Probably not. When you start waking up earlier, you'll be surprised at how less stressful your morning is when you aren't rushing to get out the door. You'll be surprised how much this relaxes you even. 2. You will have time to exercise. Are you having trouble fitting that workout in? That will no longer be a problem now that you are getting up early every day, as you will have plenty of time to exercise before work. 3. You can eat a healthy breakfast. Are you trying to lose weight? The process will be much easier when you start with a healthy breakfast rather than one filled with sugar and fat. Getting up early will give you ample time to prepare a proper breakfast. 4. You will have time for self-care. As a parent with a career, or even if you are just one of the two, finding time for self-care can be almost impossible. So why not take care of yourself early in the morning when there is no one to interrupt? Exactly. The morning is the perfect time for your self-care routine. 5. You'll be more productive. Chances are there is at least one thing in your life that you've been struggling to get done but can't seem to fit it into your busy day. Start waking up earlier and you will be surprised at how much more productive you become. You will finish your incomplete to-do list in no time at all. 6. You'll be more motivated. Not only will you be more productive, but you will also be more motivated to do so. You won't be attempting your to-do list at the end of a long day after work. Rather, you'll be starting your to-do list early in the morning while you are still fresh. And this will help you feel more motivated even as you attempt the more difficult tasks. 7. You will feel more confident. Perhaps the most amazing thing about getting up early is that it increases your self-confidence. You will feel put together and energetic after your morning routine and ready to face whatever the world throws at you. If you've made it this far, then you should know there are several great reasons to get up early and start your day before the sun. So set your alarm and get going at the crack of dawn.